Everyone, I'm the Tax Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter a bill in Wave. A bill is different from an expense. An expense is where you purchase something and then you pay for it at the time of purchase. A bill, on the other hand, you're going to purchase something and then you're going to pay for it at a later date. Okay, so if you are entering something that you're purchasing and paying for at the same time, go ahead and enter an expense because it will save you a step. If you are entering something that you've purchased and then you're going to pay for later, this is the video that you want to watch. So this is the dashboard. You can navigate to entering a bill a couple different ways. You can click on plus new and then go to bill, or you can use this purchases drop down menu over here, click on bills, and it will bring you to the bill page. From here, you can click on create a bill. First thing you're going to do is select the vendor. If the vendor is not already entered in Wave, you can add a vendor from this screen. You can make sure that the currency is correct. It should just default to US dollars if you have your Wave set up correctly. Enter your bill date, enter the date that it is due. And then this PO/SO line is optional. So PO stands for purchase order, which would be the purchase order that you've issued from your company. And then SO stands for sales order, which would be the company that is actually making the sale. They would issue the SO. You don't have to put anything in here. Bill number is going to come directly from the bill. And then the notes section is going to be the notes for the full bill. You don't have to enter anything in here. This is completely optional. Bill number is also optional. Okay, then from here, we have a couple options. We can either select an item or we can select an expense category. So items are going to be items that you've entered in Wave. So you can mark that you are purchasing these particular items. It's going to select an expense category for you. Right here, it's selecting purchases, resale items. You can put a description in here if you want, but you're not required to. You can then put the quantity in here. And then this quantity will be multiplied by the price and it will come over here. I'm gonna leave the text blank. I'll explain that in a different video because you may not need that. I'm gonna show you now, you can also just select an expense category if you wanted to. So let's say that this company is also selling us some hardware for the computer. You can select that expense and then leave the item blank, okay? So you don't have to use the item column. So let's say that we've purchased, 5 of these at $1,000 a piece. So next you just wanna make sure that everything here looks correct. So you have the $2,250 and then the $5,000. So we have $7,250 total. You can save. And then once you save, it is going to take you back to this bill page. And you'll see the bill right here. And then from here, you can go in, you could edit it, you could duplicate it, delete it, or record a payment. So that is how you enter a bill in Wave. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.